What's up, traders? Welcome back to another video here at Forex Life. Thank you guys for all the support. I really appreciate it. I'm loving the support, guys. Go ahead, go through the channel, watch some new videos. This will be a really quick video. This is a strategy for currencies, so you can use this on your MT4 on currencies. If this is your first time on this channel, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when I do drop the new video. So I'm going to jump straight into the strategy. Like I said, it's a really quick video because it's a very simple yet powerful strategy. You guys can make tons of money. Like I always say, practice first on demo. It works on any currency pair and on any time frame. So you can use it on anything. So let's have a look at Nasdaq, for example. This is on the 5-minute chart, and you can see that it's self-explanatory already. It's really easy to use. You can use it on any zoom level. I prefer using it. Let's just do this. 1, 2 on the second zoom level. It's more powerful for me personally, but you guys can play around with the zoom level and figure out which one you like. So you can see clearly what the strategy does. Right, let me just get this here. So once your red line reaches level 90, you don't enter the trade just yet, because like I say, mobile indicators, they do lag, so you need to do some technical analysis with it, some price action, draw your support, resistance, some trend lines to confirm the trade. Okay, so with this strategy, when the red line reaches level 90, you don't enter. You only enter once it makes a curve and it comes below level 80. So it will be small curve, sometimes there won't be a curve, but once it crosses below level 80, you take the trade. So you would have entered the trade over here. You would have entered the trade somewhere over here. And you take the trade, and level 50 will be your take profit level, right? Level 50 will be your take profit level. However, you can hold the trade till level 10. Okay, you can hold it till level 10. Just secure your profits and adjust your stop loss. As the trade moves into your direction, you just keep on moving your stop loss. It works on all time frames. You can have a look here on the 1 hour as well. Beautiful entry. So level 90, we don't enter at level 90 just yet because it lags, which means that it will stay by level 90. If the trend is up, it will just continue up and up and up and up, and you've entered the trade. So wait for it to break level 80, which is over here, and this would be somewhere around about here where you would have entered the trade. Over here. It would have been over there where you've entered the trade. And you take the trade and you hold it all the way till level 10. And on Nasdaq, that's a really, really good move to catch. But practice this first on demo before you guys go live. If you check it on the 15-minute time frame, you would have entered over here. So it broke level 80. Let's just get this. And this is where you would have entered. And you take the trade and you hold it all the way down. Currently it's showing a buy, but for the buy positions, we wait till it breaks level 20. So let's just look for some opportunities quickly. For a buy opportunity, see what I say, it lags, it repaints. Most mobile indicators do that. So I just focus purely right over here. I watch current price when I take the trade, but let's just see if we can find something for a buy. So this would have been the buy because the price would have been over here. The market then pushes up, breaks level 20, and this is where we would have entered our trade, right over here. And as the market moves, we move with it till we reach level 80 or level 90 and we take our profits. It's a really easy strategy, but it's a really, really powerful strategy, guys. I personally use it myself, but of course, like I say, I use price action with it. So I won't just blindly go into a trade. If this is my buy opportunity, I'm first going to check, okay, why is it showing that it's a buy? What is this area? If I look to the left over here, okay, I can see that this is a great resistance area. If I get a rejection, okay, over here I see I have my rejection. So over here, my strategy that I personally trade is break and retest, which I teach in my course as well. So I can see the market broke this arrow. It broke and it retested, right? Once the retest is there, I wait for my momentum candle, and there's my momentum candle. And right over here where my momentum candle is where it broke level 80, and that is where I would take the trade. I would set my stop loss, of course, above the previous high, and I'll just monitor my trade and move along. And if I'm looking for a take profit level, I'll go to higher time frames, look for the support and resistance areas from previous support and resistance, and take my profit there. Or I'll just be lazy and follow the strategy and take my profit over there. But if I took the trade on the 15-minute, I'm going to wait on the 15-minute till it reaches level 20, and I'll take my profit right over here. Right over here is where I would have taken my profit. So that over there would have been my trade. I'm not going to make this video long, guys. We're going to go straight into the settings of the indicator. Like I said, it's really powerful. It works on any pair. You can check it on any pair, and you guys can make profits. But please practice on demo first and then send me through those results like you guys always do. So we're going to go to the indicator settings. It's only two indicators. The first one is your RSI. We're going to have period 7, apply to close, style 2 pixel, and these are your levels, okay? So 10, 20, 50, 80, and 90. And level 50 will be your take profit level. And you can put your stop loss there once you reach take profit, and then just continue riding the trend down or up. The second indicator would be the envelopes, and with the envelopes you'll see the parameters. We have period 1, shift 0, deviation 0.008, method exponential, apply to close, and these are the two colors that I use, the green and the red, and both are 3 pixel. Once you have these settings, you just click done, and it will appear like this on your chart. And you guys can go ahead and make some good money with this strategy. Let me know how it goes. I'm eager to see the results. If there's anything else, another video you guys would like me to make, drop it down below in the comments. I'll try my best to make the video for you guys. And remember to like, smash that subscribe button, guys. Comment and share this video as much as possible. I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you on the next video.